Darren, well, the heat is certainly with us today, and it looks like it's going to hold certainly into the first part of this weekend. If you had trouble sleeping last night, here's the reason why. In Cornwall, temperatures dropped down to just 23 degrees Celsius. That's around 10 degrees above average for the time of year. And perhaps tomorrow we could see some record-breaking temperatures during the day. This is the hottest day of the year so far. Tomorrow we're forecasting 37 degrees, maybe somewhere in southeast England, and that's also getting close to our all-time daytime record in Cheltenham, 37.1. Today we've had a little bit more cloud around, and we've seen one or two light showers out of this cloud, and we're also watching an area of mist and low cloud now moving its way up from the southwest. So through this afternoon I think that will affect many southwestern areas and also across western areas of Wales. Here's still the risk of perhaps the odd shower with a flash of lightning in the sky. We could also see some showers across southern parts of Scotland, but for many we'll continue with some hazy sunshine. There are always exceptions, and for northeast Scotland very grey and murky, and temperatures here rising to just 18 degrees. Always cooler around the coasts, but you don't have to go far inland to hit that intense heat. We'll see highs this afternoon of 32, maybe 33 degrees. Overnight tonight, the showers then push their way northwards. We could see one or two heavy showers. And to the southwest, that mist and low cloud creeping its way inland, so we could see some mist and also some light drizzle here and there. But it is going to be another very warm and muggy night with temperatures down to 19 or 20 degrees. So on to tomorrow morning then, we've got that grey start across the southwest, but things should quickly improve through the morning. Perhaps one or two showers across northern and eastern areas, but they'll move away into the afternoon. So many places enjoying a dry day with the best of the sunshine across more inland areas, but it is strong sunshine. We've got a sun index of around 5 or 6 and an exceptionally hot day. As I have already said, we're looking at that forecast temperature of 37 degrees. We'll be watching it closely. Across Scotland and Northern Ireland around 25 degrees, and again around the coast it will be cooler. On to Thursday then, where we keep the hot, very hot and humid weather with some lengthy sunny spells. Always the risk of some mist and low clouds coming in across the northeast and the southwest on Friday and even into the weekend. That's all for now. Back to Darren.
All right, Nina, thank you.
Thank you very much, Darren. Well, of course, the eyes have been on the thermometers throughout this morning, as I'm sure you're all aware. We were hoping to possibly get past the mark set in Cheltenham, 37.1 degrees, back on the 3rd of August 1990. Well, I don't think we're quite going to get there. At the moment, the temperatures in London are at 33 degrees, and we have got the highest temperatures for southeast England. But whilst many places are enjoying the hot sunshine, towards the southwest it's been a completely different story. This morning it was grey, misty, murky and foggy, and you can still see a blanket of cloud on the satellite picture. One or two holes have been developing, particularly down towards the south along southern parts of Devon. And we should see some sunshine here into the afternoon, but as sea breezes set in, always the risk of that mist returning from time to time. For North Devon, I think it's going to stay rather grey here and also across much of Cornwall, so generally cooler along the coast. A similar story across southern parts of England, that mist and fog lurking out in the sea, and as we see the sea breezes, it could just begin to lap the shores. For Wales, a very different day for the northwest corner. Here we saw records being set in Valley, but grey, murky along the coast. But you come further inland across the Welsh Marches. Here we'll enjoy the hot sunshine, highs around 28 degrees. But remember, it is strong sunshine. We've still got a high sun index of around 5 or 6. So away from that southwest corner, we've got sunny spells through the rest of the afternoon, perhaps a bit more cloud around the North Sea coast. And we could see the odd shower being triggered for northern Scotland. In the more sheltered glens of Scotland, highs getting up to around 30 degrees. So here we could see some individual records being broken. But I think our top temperature today is going to be nearer 35 or 36 degrees. That southeast corner keeping some clear spells overnight tonight, but further north and west, all of that mist and low cloud rolling its way a fair way inland, and it's going to be another very warm and muggy night to come. So quite a slow start to Thursday morning. I think there will be a lot of cloud away from that southeast corner, but things should steadily brighten up into the afternoon. And once again, we could see a thunderstorm later on in the day for northern Scotland. But it is going to be another very hot day, although temperatures a degree or two down on what we'll see this afternoon. 33 or 34 degrees being our top temperature, always cooler around the coast. Temperatures here around 20 or 21 degrees. A very similar story takes us into Friday. I think we'll see some lengthy sunny spells across the United Kingdom. Perhaps a slight change in the northwest as we go into Saturday, where we could see a little bit more cloud with perhaps one or two showery outbreaks of rain. But for many, we can